In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and play missions here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up that pause menu. So press start on controller or escape if you're on keyboard and navigate over to the online section. If the jobs option is grayed out, that means you have not completed the tutorial yet. So go ahead and get that tutorial done. After you do that, jobs is going to become available. So go ahead and select jobs, and you're going to see a few different options on here. You can quick join to jump straight into missions with other players, or you could just select play a job to fully customize whatever you want to play. That's what I'm going to choose in this option. What I would recommend doing first is checking out the Rockstar created options and the community jobs, as well as the Rockstar verified missions, because Rockstar verified missions are community made jobs that Rockstar has selected and are some of the best. But in this example, let's just open up Rockstar Created. Essentially, just scroll down on here till you see missions and open that up. And once you do select this, you're going to see all of the missions currently available that you can go ahead and play. Select whatever mission you want to play, and then from this section, you can also go ahead and customize it. Whether it's the difficulty, obviously the higher is going to give you more, XP and cash. You can customize that camera lock, the radio station, the starting weapon, purchasing ammo, or super heavy armor. And whenever you are happy with your settings, just confirm them and the mission will begin. But that is it. You're not going to be playing missions here in GTA 5 Online. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.